Mic check, mic check. Hey guys, this is Alexis, Sophia Leather. All right, in this video, I just want to showcase a member of this channel. His name is Jeffrey Joseph. I want to showcase his work. It's absolutely gorgeous. A little bit of shop talk real quick. The radio strap, sorry, not radio strap, the custom no edit suspender builds. I'm gonna be rolling that out every Saturday. So every Saturday for the next 7 Saturdays, look out for the next part in that series. All right, as far as Jeffrey Joseph, how I met him is in this channel, and he's actually a member. He's been a member almost a year, and what you get with that membership is a loyalty badge, basically an emoji, and they're all different style mustaches. They progress from little baby mustache to epic Sophia Leather twistity twist. Anyway, you also get early access to videos. So he's been a member for so long, and he does really good work, okay? His company is called Better Leather Goods. I'll put pictures here in a second, but you can find them in the description. I'll put links to his shop. I think he's on Instagram. And also in the pin first comments. So guys, check it out. In the meantime, enjoy this music I made especially for him, all right? And it's silly, but I made it for him. So I'm putting my music in the background and look at these pictures. Make sure you hit him up for these beautiful custom wallets and knickknacks. And he does a lot of different work, but it's actually very beautiful. All right, anyways, I'm rambling. I'll talk to you later. Look out for those videos on Saturdays and hit this guy up. He does amazing, amazing, beautiful work. See it for yourself. Okay, bye. Enjoy the dumb music. God bless you. Bye.